In this video, we will check the current version of Jellyfin and use native Linux commands to upgrade Jellyfin to the latest version while upgrading the rest of the packages installed on our system. First, let's check online for the most updated version of Jellyfin available. Visit the official Jellyfin page on GitHub, h/github.com/jellyfin/releases. Now, if we check our system, we'll see that we are running a couple of versions behind. You can verify the Jellyfin version by running the command jellyfin-version on Ubuntu, or by navigating to your Jellyfin server's local website and clicking on Dashboard. Once we've confirmed that an update is needed, we can proceed with the following command: sudo apt update-y and then sudo apt upgrade-y. If you are new to Ubuntu, note that this command combines two separate operations using the nn operator, which allows them to execute sequentially in a single line. Sudo apt update-y refreshes the list of available packages and versions. Sudo apt upgrade-y automatically upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions based on the refreshed list. The -y option automatically confirms yes to any prompts during the operation, so you don't have to manually interact with the system while the packages are updating. By running this command, most of your apps and packages, including Jellyfin, will be upgraded. If for any reason you want to upgrade only Jellyfin, you can use this command instead. Sudo apt install only upgrade Jellyfin. Once the upgrade is complete, verify that Jellyfin has been updated by running the same commands as before: Jellyfin-version, or by navigating to your Jellyfin server's local website and clicking on Dashboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more simple tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video on BiteOfTeck.